Charm is deceitful and beauty is vain, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Proverbs 31:30.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. seeds as they spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
You know, spray my face. I like to use this a lot, like I go in so much with this. I like to go in with my highlighter, and this is from Makeup Revolution as well. This is the new one. I think this is the XX Revolution one as well. This is in the shade Radio Wave. So it's this bronzy goldish color. I don't know how to describe this, but yeah. So I just go in with this before my face is completely dry. I like to go in with the same highlighter on like on my tear duct area as well. So I went ahead to fix my lashes off camera as well, and I'm just using these lashes that I got from AliExpress. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So now I'm just going to go in with my powder, and I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Perfecting Powder in the shade 10D10W. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. So yeah, I'm just gonna use that all over my face. So guys, simply the only thing remaining right now is just my lips. So for my lips, I like to go in with this MUA lip liner in the shade Obsession. So I just use that to line my lips. I actually use this shade and a darker shade to line my lips. So I'm just gonna use that to line my lips right now. So I'm also gonna use the pencil I use for my eyebrows to line my lips as well, just to make it a bit darker. So next I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Velvet Love lipstick.